Let's go! Let's go!
You're freezing.
You came back!
Oh, sweetheart.
Almost ready.
It tastes good. I'm glad you like it.
Still enough oil.
Yeah.
These are drying.
The storm continues.
So much salt.
It's all right. Good dog. You're such a good boy. Here's another one.
Not much left. This won't get us far.
Only a few remain. This should be enough for now.
Oh no, what's wrong, little one? Shh, shh, it's all right now. There we go, sweet baby.
Stay strong.
The storm is fierce.
We'll get through it. I'm scared.
We're safe here.
Need more fuel. We made it back.
We go there.
Still sharp enough.
Bring these back safely.
Please come back.
For the journey.
Thank you.
Easy, boy.
Stay close.
Strong winds today. What is it? Stay quiet.
Almost there.
Still sealed.
Medicine for the baby.
Ready, boy.
Someone passed here.
Stay close.
Something's inside. Enough for weeks. Almost there. Home.
He's back.
Dad's home.
Careful with those cans.
The fever's lower.
Careful with the medicine. I know. More oil now.
Need more light. Right again. Still standing.
The storm is easing.
need better cover.
These pieces are dry. This should block the rain.
Almost at the wall.
Here is wide enough.
Yes, that should work for the frame.
These posts must hold.
Hold it steady!
I'm trying.
This shelter will last.
Here, Dad.
Good. Hand me the wrench.
Okay.
Tie this corner tighter.
Got it. Hold steady.
It's pulling hard.
It's working now.
We finally have enough.
Now clothes can dry safely.
They'll stay dry now. Everything has a place.
It's holding together.
Hold together. Enough for... More water this way. Strong enough now.
Clean water matters. Feels warmer today. Look at the rain. These will last longer.
Tonight feels peaceful.
Rest here later.
Birds are back.
Stay warm now.
Cold. Still cold.
This may help.
These will keep you warm.
You'll feel better soon. Slowly.
The storm's getting stronger.
We're safe here.
I know.
Good dog.
I can't sleep.
Your fever is lower. Just rest now.
You're stronger today. I feel it.
We made it through.
Yeah, we did.
Over there. I think I see a boat.
Welcome to your cozy corner on Ghibli Lane. If you found peace here, please like, share, and subscribe. Join our slow journey through quiet evenings.